Hi guys, I posted your first assignment in Google Classroom, so if you haven't taken a look yet, go ahead and check it out. It's due a week from now, and that's my plan, is I'm going to post an assignment and I'll give you about a week to do it and post some videos to help you on it during the week if as needed. So this project, if you haven't looked yet, has to do with place value of multi-digit numbers. So I've already done one video on that, but I mostly only spoke about whole numbers. So your assignment has to do with decimals, but the rules essentially stay the same. So the biggest thing I want you to take from that is that the digit in one place is 10 times as much as the one to its right and 1/10 of the digit to its left. So here are some examples here, and this is very similar to what you're going to see in your project. So if we look at this first one here, 723 and 35 hundredths, and the question I'm going to ask you is, how many times greater is the first 3 than the second 3 in this number? Well, I can see that it's one place value greater, so this is 10 times greater than this 3. And let me just see how it is worded in yours. Yeah, okay, so that's just like how it's worded in your actual project as well. So let's look at this second number here. What if we wanted to know how much greater this 6 is than this 6? Well, let's take a look here. Let's see how many times it's moved. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 place values greater. So that would be like 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So that means that the value of this 6 is 1,000 times greater than the value of this 6. Now let's compare the ones in this number. So how many times greater is this one than this one? Well, again, let's count how many positions higher it is. 1, 2, 3. So that's like times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. So that means that this one is 1,000 times greater than this one. Now it's also going to ask you questions in the other directions. So for example, if I had something like 13 and 23 hundredths, you could also say that the value of this 3 is 1/100th the value of this 3. Because again, let's see, 2 hops, so that's times 10 times 10, which is 100. But since this one is worth less, it's worth 1/100th the value of this 3 here. So one more example like that. Let's see. You can see that I have Carly helping me. You want to say hi, Carly?
Hi.
If we had 7 and we'll say 7/10. So 7.7, 7 and 7/10. And I am comparing the 7s here. I could also say that this 7 is 1/10 the value of this 7. So take a look at your Google Classroom project and let me know if you get stuck, you have questions, or you need me to make another video where I do more examples. Just post it in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
They can't see you.
Bye.